So before I start cooking, I gotta wake myself up. So I gotta make me some espresso right now with this little thing. You fill this full of water up to the little pressure valve, and you put the filter in there. This has got holes in it, little tiny holes. Then you have your ground espresso, whatever kind you want, strong. There's different, so many varieties you can use. Fill up that container right there. And a little bump. Yeah. And you put this on. This is where the coffee comes up here. Screw it together, tight. You put it on the little stove here because it saves gas on the big one. Okay, you see the coffee coming out? Okay, now you want to leave this closer because it's going to splash. They have a thing you can put on top. Turn down the gas a little bit. Makes a nice toning sound. Once the bubbling stops, it's done. Okay, so the coffee's come out. I got my little espresso cup here, you know. You got a little tiny thing like this, and you put in how much coffee you want. That's pretty much it. And then you put in sugar, or you can put in some milk. But most Italians drink it like dry, strong, like gone. I can't do it. So I'm gonna make something special with this espresso because it's hot right now. And you can cool off, get the caffeine, wake up at the same time, and it tastes good. So here we go. Special. Alright, so I got this espresso. It's still hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a special dessert drink here. I'm going to use the measuring cup because it's easier to see. So I got me some coffee bean ice cream. It's so good. I love it. Oh, I need a spoon. Yeah, there's a spoon right there. Is good. Now you grab some of this ice cream and you put it in there. Depends how many people. I'm going to make one for 2 right now. A little bit for me. And a little bit for the camera lady. And then the rest I'm going to put in there. Then I'm going to take and put this, well, I'm going to use this one still hotter. I'm going to pour over. So I'm using this cup because this, I know this takes the heat, so it won't break. If you use a regular glass and you put this in there, it might break the glass. So you want to pour it over the ice cream. The hot coffee over the ice cream. Kind of like that. Kind of level. Maybe a few more drops. The measurements are optional. Then you take it and you smash it all up. To melt the ice cream. You're going to melt the ice cream like this. It takes a little bit of patience. The hotter the coffee, the faster it does. You want to get it so it's like slush. So the flavor of the coffee ice cream with the cream and the sugar and all the stuff that's in there, whatever. It's mixed in here. Now it doesn't have to be coffee ice cream, it could be vanilla ice cream. It could be whatever you want to be. Whatever you like, you put it in there, it's going to be good, I guarantee it. Anything you make for yourself is going to be good. And if you make it with love, well, you got to put some beautiful love in it. Then, this, we're going to put some ice cubes in there because ice cubes make it cold. I'm just going to grab them out of the refrigerator. Keep it cold, like that. Now at this point, You could just drink it the way it is. Let me taste it. Wow. Now, I could put a little brandy in there so you make it extra. And I could put some milk. Okay, so now I got 2 glasses because now it's safe to put them in, it won't explode. I got ice in them because it's hot, so you want nice and cold. So you pour this in there. You gotta make sure you're fair, you know what I mean? You don't want to cheat. The rest of the ice in there. But then to make sure you didn't leave any ice cream or coffee in there, you put some milk. I like organic is good. And you splash it around. And you put it there. And there. And a little extra. Whatever. Remember, you're making it for yourself. You can't make a mistake. Right? How can it taste bad? If you put some brandy in there, that's it. And then you do the taste to see how it is. Here it goes. Wow. It's so it's like a palatal orgasm. One of these. So you can put some rum. You can put some like brandy, liqueurs, anything. Get yourself a nice summer wake-up drink because it's give you energy. So I hope you try it. Enjoy this beautiful Orgasmic Ice coffee.